Hello everyone, I am Aksa Zafar and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am here to guide you through a roadmap for learning data analytics for free. If you are ready to start this journey, I am ready to begin as well. Let's dive in. To become a successful data analyst, you need to develop several key skills. These include programming languages, statistics, mathematics, data wrangling, data visualization, and some knowledge of machine learning. We will break down each of these areas step by step. The first step is to learn a programming language. This is a fundamental skill for data analysis. You don't need to learn every language, just choose one to start with. Python and R are popular choices. For Python, you can use resources like Introduction to Python Programming on Udacity or the Python tutorial on its official website. If you prefer R, you can explore R Basics, R Programming Language Introduction on Udemy, or R Programming on Coursera. Links to these resources are in the description, so you can check them out. So, how do you feel about programming languages? Are you leaning towards Python, R, or maybe another language? I personally started with Python because I found it straightforward and very versatile. Python's extensive libraries and the supportive community made it easier for me to get started. R is also great, especially for statistical analysis, but Python has been my main choice. Next, you need to understand statistics. This knowledge is essential for analyzing data and making informed decisions. You will learn about statistical tests, distributions, and other important concepts. For learning statistics, you can use Intro to Statistics on Udacity or Introduction to Statistics on Coursera. Both offers free access and provide a solid foundation in statistics. Resources links are in the description. So how do you feel about studying statistics? Is it something you have tackled before or is it a new territory for you? I personally found statistics a bit challenging at first, but it was definitely worth the effort. I used resources like Khan Academy and Coursera to build my understanding, which helped me a lot in analyzing and interpreting data effectively. Mathematics is also important. You should be comfortable with topics like calculus and linear algebra, as they are crucial for data analysis. Understanding concepts such as matrix manipulation and derivatives will be beneficial. Free resources for learning mathematics include Mathematics for Machine Learning, Linear Algebra, and Mathematics for Machine Learning Multivariate Calculus on Coursera. Khan Academy also offers multivariable calculus. You will find the links to these resources in the description. How do you feel about learning math for data analytics? Is it something you enjoy or find a bit tough? Personally, I used to find math quite challenging, especially linear algebra and calculus. However, once I started using Coursera and Khan Academy, it became much more manageable. Understanding these mathematical concepts has been crucial for my data analysis work. Data science libraries are collections of functions that simplify your work. If you are using Python, you should become familiar with NumPy for numerical operations, Pandas for handling data, Matplotlib for creating charts and graphs, scikit-learn for machine learning. You can learn these libraries through Learn NumPy Fundamentals on Udemy or tutorials available on Kaggle and the official documentation for Pandas and Matplotlib. Links to these resources are in the description. You can check. So, which data science library are you excited to learn? I personally started with Pandas because it made working with data frames really easy. Matplotlib was also very useful for creating visualization. I would suggest starting with Pandas and then explore NumPy and Matplotlib as you go along. Data wrangling involves collecting and cleaning data to prepare it for analysis. You should understand both SQL and NoSQL databases. For SQL, you can use resources like W3 Schools and SQL for Data Analysis on Udacity. These free courses will help you learn how to manage and manipulate data effectively. Check the description for links to these resources. So, how do you feel about working with SQL or other databases? What tools do you use for cleaning and preparing data? Let me know in the comment section. Data visualization is important for presenting your findings clearly. You should know how to use tools and libraries such as Tableau, Power BI, ggplot, and Matplotlib. For learning data visualization, try data visualization in Tableau on Udacity or fundamentals of visualization with Tableau on Coursera. These resources will help you create effective and informative visualizations. Links are in the description. So, what's your go-to tool for data visualization? Do you prefer Tableau, Power BI, or something else? Personally, I have found Tableau to my favorite for creating visualizations. It's very user-friendly and powerful. I also use Matplotlib for custom visualizations. Both tools have their strength depending on what you need for your project. Having some knowledge of machine learning can be an advantage, but it is not always required. You don't need to master every algorithm, but understanding a few basics will help. You can learn about machine learning through Machine Learning by Georgia Tech on Udacity or Machine Learning by Stanford University on Coursera. These courses provide a good introduction to machine learning concepts. Resource links are in the description. So, are you interested in exploring machine learning or are you focusing on other area of data analytics? Let me know in the comments down. Finally, apply your skills by working on projects. This practical experience is crucial for learning and demonstrating your abilities. These are few project ideas. You can select anyone. In fake news detection, you have to build a model to identify fake news articles. This project helps you practice text classification in natural language processing. You can use datasets from Kaggle and libraries like scikit-learn. In recommendation system, you have to create a system that suggests products based on user preferences. This involves collaborative filtering and content-based methods. You can use Pandas and scikit-learn for this project. In sentiment analysis, you have to analyze text data to determine the sentiment behind it, whether it's positive, negative, or neutral. This project is great for practicing natural language processing techniques with libraries like NLTK and TextBlob. Which project idea excites you the most? Do you have any other projects you are working on? Let me know in the comment section. And that's our roadmap to learning data analytics for free. I hope you find this guide useful. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share it with anyone who might benefit. Thank you for watching, and I wish you the best of luck with your data analytics journey.